Maclaurin series. What is Maclaurin series? Maclaurin series is a special case of Taylor series, where its function expands around f of 0. It is a special type of Taylor series where the function will be expanded around f of 0. When you reflect back to the Taylor series, in Taylor series the function expands about any value. But here the function expands around f of 0, where the value of x equals to 0 here. This is the main difference between Maclaurin series and Taylor series. Maclaurin series is an infinite series which centered at 0. It is also an infinite series where it's centered at 0. If you remember Taylor series is also an infinite series, but it centers at any value. Where Maclaurin series is centered at 0. This is the second difference between these two series. Formula of Maclaurin series is f of x equals to f of 0 plus x or 1 factorial times f prime of 0 plus x square or 2 factorial times f double prime of 0 plus x cube or 3 factorial times f triple prime of 0 plus x to the 4 or 4 factorial times f 4 prime of 0 plus infinity. This is the formula of Maclaurin series. Now if you look to this formula, the function f of x expands around 0 all the way, and it's centered at 0. But when you go back, where in Taylor series the case is different. Taylor series expands about any value. Here I have f of 0, take its derivative to have f prime of 0. Take its second derivative to have f double prime of 0. Take its third derivative to have f triple prime of 0. Its fourth derivative to have f4 prime of 0. This is x or 1 factorial, and here is x square or 2 factorial. This is x to the 3 factorial. This is x to the 4 factorial. N is an integer start from any value up to infinity. It depends on the number of derivative terms. The more you take derivative, the more you have terms in the formula. But let me compare Maclaurin series with the Taylor series here. This is Taylor series. This is the main difference, where in Taylor series, it's centered at any value. A is any value. There is not a main difference between these two series, but the difference is that when you put the value of A equals to 0 in Taylor series, you will get Maclaurin series. This is the main difference here.